Hey guys, it's Michaela, and today I'm going to show you how to make your Facebook account private on your phone. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's jump in. I have my Facebook app already open, and first thing you want to do is click on the bottom three lines in the right hand corner. And it's going to come up with this page. You're going to scroll down to Settings and Privacy, and then Privacy Shortcuts. This is where Facebook puts all the privacy shortcuts together, and we're going to go to the first one and review a few things. And this is Facebook trying to make it as easy as possible. It separates it into who can see what I do, who can find me, what data, everything you need to know about your Facebook and how to make it private. The first thing you want to do to make your profile very private and overall private is going to go to the first one, who can see what I share. And this is basically profile information, stories, and blocking. You can push continue. If you go through this is your email, your birthday, and at the bottom it's who can see your profile, friend lists, and you can change it. If I only want me to, I have it already set very private, only me, only me, only me. But if I want people to see my email, I can do that. But I can hide my birthday, I can hide my friend list, I can do whatever I want. You can just go through and change to only me, and that means that only I can see it, nobody else can. And so everything right now is super private, and you can decide individually what you want people to see. Then you can click next. And this is for posts and stories. Now we have our future posts. Anything that I post from now on, if I want only me to see it, I can push only me. If you want only friends to see it, if you want certain friends not to see it, you can click through and type in like what friend you don't want to see your posts. And you can do that by just going through that tab. The same with the stories. If you want people to see your stories, if you don't want anybody to see your stories, you can do the same thing. And the last option is limited past post. This is very tricky. If you clicked limited past posts, you are basically saying like anybody who I now put as private, anything that I don't want people to see now, I want everything that I've already posted not to be seen by them too. And by clicking this, you're going to take that off of their time, and then they won't be able to see any of your past posts. The problem with this is to undo it, it takes a lot of time. You have to individually go through each post and make it available for that person to see. So I'd suggest just like leaving that alone unless you're really like, I don't want these people to see it ever again. So just click out of that, and we're going to push next. And this is your blocking list if you want to go ahead and just block people in advance or, take people off your block list. You can do that there. And you click next. So now you've reviewed all your post information, your posts and stories, and your blocking. And you can go through and there's different tabs. You can see now who can find me on Facebook, and you can make sure that nobody can find you from your phone number or for an email if you want. You can go through and see how can people friend request me if you only want friends of friends to request to yourself, or if you only want, if you want anybody to be able to send you a friend request, you can change that here. You go back and basically, yes, it's all set out for you, your ad preference, your data, how to keep your account secure. Everything you want to know is right here on this little layout. If you guys have any questions, let us know. If not, like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.